In today's video, I'll show you how to add a payment QR code to your Zoho invoices, making it super easy for customers to pay by simply scanning the code. Start by logging into your Zoho Invoice account and go to Settings. From there, select PDF templates to access all your invoice templates. Under the Invoices section, find the template you want to modify and click Edit. Once inside the template editor, focus on the left sidebar and select Other Details. Here you'll see the option Show Invoice QR Code. Check this box to enable the QR code on your invoice. After enabling it, click Preview to see how your invoice will look. Make sure the QR code is positioned correctly and everything aligns perfectly. Once satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Now, every invoice generated from this template will automatically include a payment QR code, streamlining your billing process and making it convenient for clients to pay. And that's it. Your invoices are now more modern, professional, and client friendly.